Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I want to go over the YieldMax dividends that we got this week. We obviously got dividends again for YMAX and YMAG plus Group B. So let's go into those now. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody had a good weekend, and happy Veterans Day to the veterans out there. So here we go. So this is actually several days ago. This was November 6th. But we got dividends for PLTY 220, which is phenomenal, NVDY $1.02, DIPS 61 cents, FBY 83 cents, BABO 82.5 cents, and then YMAX and YMAG. So YMAX was 11, almost 12 cents. YMAG was 20 cents. And I believe there is more. Oh, here we go. So that's just kind of the highlights. Okay, so let me go over here. This is the actual page. Let's go over here. Here we go. Okay. So MRNY was 73%, FBY is 55%, DIPS 55%, YMAX 36%, YMAG 57% if we round up. So we went over these already for YMAX and YMAG. 12 cents for YMAX, 21 cents for YMAG, NVDY $1.02. Again, DIPS 61 cents, FBY 83.5 cents, GDXY 48.5 cents, BABO 82.5 cents, JPMO 35 cents, MRNY 40 cents, and then PLTY $2.20. So Palantir has been kicking butt. Of course, I'll also go over my options trades from last week. I got called out of a couple of stocks because of covered calls. Got called out of NVIDIA and Palantir. So I missed out on probably $12 of upside on that one. But anyway, let's go ahead and do, so then now that we've gone over these, let's do the same spreadsheet analysis for YMAX and YMAG that we do for the Roundhill funds. So let me share this screen over here. Here we go. Okay, so I'm still on this one. Let me just move over to this one here. Okay, so what we've got for this, let's move all this down. And then we'll do YMAX first. Okay, so for YMAX, $11.99 basically. So 0.1199, there we go. It's going to be this one. 5. Okay, now let's get over here. Okay, so to make this monthly would be 52 cents. Annually would be 623. So again, this is actually the lowest one we've had. Let me make sure I'm on the right one here. No, that's the right one. That's YMAX. So YMAX was really low this week. By the way, Tesla is starting to recover. How about that? Is everybody excited? Are we going to buy more Tesla now? I might actually consider buying more Tesla. Let me get the share price real quick here. I believe I believe the market is open half a day today. Okay, so let's get the current share price here. 1807. Everything's doing well since the election. Everything's really doing well market-wise. Okay, let's look at for the last 5 days here. I want to actually take the price from probably Thursday or Friday. Okay, let's actually take it the day. We'll just say 1750. Okay, so 1750. And then it's a 35 or 36% dividend actually. So my numbers are very close to what they have. And then for this one, we're going to take F9. There we go, $100,000. Share total. This is how many shares it would buy us. Weekly, you see our weekly income kind of got cut in half here. And then for this one, we're going to drag this one down. Oops. Going to drag this one down here. Okay, there we go. And then we're going to do YMAG. Okay, before we do that, so we'd be looking at 35,627 in annual income for YMAX. For YMAG, let's do this here. For YMAG, okay, so we've got 0.2065, 0.2065, 5. Let's go over here. Okay, and then here, and then so monthly we would be at 90 cents. Annualized we'd be at 1074. Let's look at our current share price. Okay, it's showing 1990 right now, but we actually want to take from last week. So let's do this here. Wish the computer moved a little bit faster. Yahoo Finance. This is why I stopped using Yahoo Finance. Let me do the other fields while we're waiting for a simple page to upload here. Of course, that's not going to work because we need, oh, this is ridiculous. All right, you know what? Just go to Seeking Alpha. Yahoo's just too slow. If I wasn't using my phone, I could actually just look it up really quick. Or I could use the 1990, but I want to use the accurate price from last week. Okay, we're up 16 cents today. Everything looks like it's doing really well, actually. Tesla, I wish I wouldn't have sold my Tesla. Tesla is absolutely on fire. Let's see. Okay, so we'll take from like the 7th. So we'll say 1952. Let's take that price. Okay, here we go. So 1952. So we are recovering nicely. That suggests a 55% dividend. This minus this, that means we recovered 73 cents. F20. $100,000. Okay, so that's going to be 1,058 if we round up, and weekly dividends, and then that's 55,000 annually. So the final verdict is on an investment of $200,000 split evenly in these two funds, we would have a MacBook that doesn't want to cooperate. So we would have 35,000 plus 55,000. So that would be a $90,000 annual income off of $200,000. So that would be a 45% annualized combined dividend rate of return. How is that? Now, one more thing we want to do here really quick is take the actual realized dividend return so far. And this is with, now we're 8 weeks into this. These weeks fly by, don't they? So B9, we're going to take B9 here, 9.13%. This one, we're going to take B20 instead of B12, which we also need some of sometimes. Okay, so that's 9.13. and then 7.59. Okay, let me format this really quick over here. Okay, so that is that. Now let's look at, really quick here, let's look at one more thing. Okay, so it's 9.13% minus 0.57. So that's going to be 8.56% net realized rate of return across 8 weeks. We can even go by week if we want. Actually, I'm going to do that. So that's going to be 9.4%. So we could actually take both of these. Since I like formulas so much here, I'm going to do another one. So let's take this minus this. Actually, we need to add it because it's a negative number. So we're going to take this plus this and divide by 8. So we're going to get our weekly return here. We'll get really geeked out on this. Okay, so weekly return is actually 1.07% for this one. Take the same formula, copy it down here. So it's going to be, look at that. I love when Excel works perfectly. Divide by 8. So our weekly return, that's pretty good. 1% a week is awesome if you think about that. That's like easily 52% per year. Did that math quick, huh? Okay, so that's what that's going to be. 1% a week is really phenomenal. So let's see if we got any comments or any questions. That is the spreadsheet for the two for this week. Let's go look over here. Oh, we've got, yeah, that was a mistake. What happened is I didn't realize it was live. So that happened. I didn't intend that to all of you all. Well, maybe some of you, but not 99% of you. Oh, thank you. Nice comments here. What's going on? Oh, you guys are so observant. Looking forward to seeing your thoughts on IWMY versus RDTE. Yeah, I've got to cover those as well. YMAX to the moon. Yeah, how about Tesla, by the way? Let's look at Tesla. Tesla's starting to go, should we dare say, Tesla to the moon? I mean, how incredible is that? Let's go look real quick here. Let's see if I can pull up good old Yahoo Finance real quick. We'll go for another encore performance here from Yahoo Finance. Tesla. Yeah, Tesla, I can't even believe I'm saying this. Tesla actually seems to be recovering. Okay, so let's go look over here. Let's hide this one. Share this screen over here. So Tesla has recovered $4. I'm starting to wonder if I should buy more Tesla, because that accelerates, recovering your loss. If you're buying at a lower cost basis, you're spreading it out. It's like economies of scale. So let me share this one really quick here. So Tesla is up like 33% in 5 days. Look at this. The buying point would have been here. I didn't even think of Tesla as like a Trump stock, or that it would, but I guess it makes sense, because Elon and Trump are good friends now. Not that should have anything to do with the company's performance. But look at that, 33%. So I'll end on that note. 33% in like 5 days. That's phenomenal. Is MSTY and NVDY a good long-term play? Reinvesting dividends? Well, I don't have my 8-ball with me, but they've done really well. I mean, as far as reinvesting dividends, they've done phenomenally. Anyway, that's going to do it for this one. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Let's see, what is Mr. Justin Sports Card saying here? Tesla ran $80. Not sure on that one. Grab Ulti after distribution, or YMAX maybe. Well, it's just because I have so much. I actually have in one account 2440 as far as shares. I might make it an even 3,000. I would feel dumb buying today after it's gone up 33%. And then in my other account, so I'll do a separate video reviewing my account again, because I've been doing a lot of options trading in the last couple of weeks. Let me look at how many shares I have in the Roth IRA, because in the brokerage one I have 2440 exactly. Let me look. Let's see. Tesla 671. So what I might do, I might make it an even 1,000. I can't even believe I'm going to actually buy more. I can't even believe I'm thinking about buying more after the past like 2 years that we've been through. But things are recovering, I guess. So I would make it an even 1,000 and an even 3,000. Then I could possibly do options trades on it. Anyway, that's going to do it for today. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Like, comment, and subscribe, and join Discord, and we will see you all tomorrow, or maybe later today. Got to get back on that video schedule. Take care. Bye.